Good evening. Thank you once again for tuning in. I'm just going to quickly shoot a video regarding traffic to your website. Now, a lot of people do struggle to make money online because they can't get traffic to the website or to the business online or opportunity, whatever they are promoting. And it's really, really difficult. And a lot of people do give up. Um, if they're not making any money, they're probably thinking it's a scam or whatever. And don't get me wrong, there are scams out there. Genuinely, there are scams out there. But what I'm saying is, there are other business out there, genuine business opportunities out there. People do give up because they can't get traffic. Simply can't get traffic, and it's really, really doing. And it's something I struggle with as well. And I'm just shooting a quick video, basically, outlining or you know making aware, of this problem. I'm sure everyone knows the problem, but it's just so many people don't sort of address it in a way that how to do it. You know, you go to YouTube, oh, how to make this much, how to make that much, it's all well and good when you reach that position and you say, oh, how do you make that much money? How do you make that much money? But, you have to be sort of open minded in order to like think, okay, how can I make money? And you've got to explore your options. And a lot of people want money now. They want to make money now. They want to get rich now. It doesn't work like that. It never has been. A lot of people who are big gurus or big, money makers, they've been there for years and years. They didn't become overnight success. Trust me. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you quickly what I'm doing in order to gain traffic to my opportunity. Now, by doing this, I've gained 7 leads in the past 5 days. Now, you may think it's nothing, but hey, it's free. It's free traffic. I didn't pay a single penny or cent towards it. And what was it? What was I doing? So I was doing YouTube videos, but mainly was posting in Facebook groups. Now, what is that, you say? So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you quickly. So, what I'm doing right now, quickly go to one of the groups that I am in, and I'm going to go to this group. Now, it's called Bitcoin World. Now, the reason I chose this group is because the opportunity I'm promoting is cryptocurrency. So it's to do with Bitcoins, Ethereum, things like that. So that's the reason I've targeted at this sort of group. Okay, so let me just go ahead and show you. So you can see so many other people have been posting a lot here, and I've gained like 7 leads. It's not much, as I said, it's something, and it's free. And past 4 or 5 days, I've 7 leads, which is good. I reckon it's good. Now, this group has 133,633 followers or people joined in that group. So I am exposing my opportunity in front of over 133,000 people. That's smashing. That is amazing. So the key thing you gotta remember when you do post on these groups, you gotta make your, let's say, your post or ad as stand out as possible and give as much explanation as you can, but not too much. Um, it's got to be eye catching, things like that. So, what I'm doing right now at the moment, I am currently posting. So, just quickly, um, so what I do, I just write out the ad copy in my notes and I copy and I paste it. So, right now, on a daily basis, this is what I do. Copy that, paste it, and paste it on there. Okay, so this is my ad copy. This is my post. It's going to go out to those people, to those 133,000 odd people. Okay, now I always add a photo, picture, eye-catchy picture. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one today. Okay, so the picture I'm uploading on there, it's loading, and then what I do sometimes, I just click on this, but you don't have to. It's not really. Um, this shows, extra willingness, I guess. So posting it now, and instantly it's on there. Now look at this, guys. So this is my post. That's about my opportunity I'm promoting at the moment. Okay, and look at this picture. It's eye-catching. It's in your face. It's colourful. It's got black background with white, red and green. Man happy with a dollar bill, a $2 bill. It's amazing. So again, what I do here, I come here and I do that. So I do that for I'll probably join in about 15 to 20 groups. I'll be joining more. I'll be joining more, and it's keep doing that every day. That's what I'm doing right now. Every day I'm doing this, and every time I get comment like how or info, I comment them back, acknowledging their willingness to know more info, and then I message them with the info, and you engage that way. Now I'm engaging with a gentleman, and he is very willing, and he wants to join me in this business, and he wants to know more. So I am been engaging with him. I have been very busy. I've got to be working. So I work during the day and in the evening. By the time I get back in the evening, because he lives in all the way in, I think, India. That's too late for him now. So I'm off tomorrow. So I'm gonna get in contact with him tomorrow when I wake up. I'm gonna be straight on here, and I'm gonna um, get him joined up and get him started as soon as possible. So here we go. So as I said, guys, you can do it, and I do YouTube as well. Now this is my channel. I've got about um, at least 8 to 10 videos here, I think. So I'm slowly gaining traction. I've got 4 subscribers so far. Now I'm not looking at that. Okay, I'm not looking at that. I'm just more into making more contents. I want to do more contents. I want to make it more informative for you guys out there. So just yeah, going forward, I'm going to keep doing that until I get to a point where I can afford traffic, paid traffic, and I'm going to keep slamming traffic, as Rob would say it. And yeah, so here we go, guys. So I just want to quickly show you before I go. I just want to show you. So this is our team website. So when you join up with me, you will come into this site. All right. You will get your own within our team. We get this website. Now this website comes with a splash page, lead capture page, and you use that to promote it. You go through all these steps to set up this system. Okay, this is a completely free system. Okay, completely free system. You don't have to pay anything. So I'm just going to quickly show you the 7 leads I was talking to you about. So there you go, that's referred 7 users. So I'm going to quickly show you the list of 7. I'm not going to, there you go. So there you go. These are the people, 7 people's on there. Okay. So, I mean, a lot of people do struggle, as I said, with traffic. If you keep on working hard, keep on being consistent. Consistency pays off. Consistency does pays off. Okay, and do apologize for my uh, pronunciation there. I'm a bit tired, so please let me off a bit. So here we go. So that was about the traffic side, and also, not only just Facebook. You can go on YouTube, make videos, or you can go on Instagram, make a Instagram account, and post. I don't know, quotes. You can go on Canva. .com. You can join for free, and you can make post like colorful posts, motivation or whatever. If you have any quotes, make it, post it on there, gain followers, and then people think, oh, what are you doing, this and that, and sometimes here and there post videos on there. I'm in the process of doing that right now with my Instagram. I haven't done anything on there on the Instagram. I probably posted 1 or 2 pictures, 1 video and 1 picture, and I already got 13 followers on there, or 12 followers. So by not even doing that much, I am gaining traction. But if I was to get more and more followers, I'm hoping to get, like, on my Instagram, probably 1 to 2, probably 1 picture uploaded on there every 2 or 3 days. Something like that. So, anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching my video. Okay, so just want to say that please subscribe, like, and comment my video, and the links will be down below. Check it out and see if if you're interested to build a solid business. This is the one. I strongly believe in this one. So go ahead and take action, guys. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.